With Audio Director, you can upload and share your own created sound clips to Cyberlink's creative online community, DirectorZone.com, for others to use. As a sharing community, you can also download more sound clips from DirectorZone to enhance your videos and enrich Audio Director's sound clip library. You can upload your own sound clips wherever you are in the edit, restore, or mix rooms. Let's say that we've compiled a great sound clip in the mix room that we want to upload to DirectorZone. Let's have a listen to it.
Greetings, mortal. I am from beyond the known universe.
On track 1, we recorded our own voice and added a delay effect to make it sound like Darth Vader. Then, on track 2, we added an environment sound clip from Audio Director's embedded sound clips library to make it sound more like we're in space. To add a sound clip from the library to your audio, simply click the Open Sound Clips Library button at the top. Choose one of the categories, click the sound clip you want to use, and then click Import. It's now ready for use in the media library. Let's now upload our sound clip creation to DirectorZone for other editors to use in their own videos. You simply have to click the Upload button at the top. If you're not already signed into DirectorZone, a sign-in pop-up will appear. Alternatively, at any time you can click the Sign in to DirectorZone button at the top right. In the sign-in pop-up window, enter your email, password, and then click Next. Give a title to your sound clip. Select a style, and as an option, a tag and a description. Click Next. Confirm the copyright disclaimer, click Next again, and your file will be uploaded to DirectorZone. You can click the Click to see your audio link to see and listen to it on DirectorZone. First, log onto DirectorZone and at the top select Products, then Audio Director. You are presented with Audio Director's online sound clips library. You can browse all available sound clips by category. If you select the Style drop-down menu, you can, for example, choose between instruments, musical jingles, or weapons. Let's browse and download a clip. Let's select the Ice Wind sound clip. Here, click on it, listen to it. And then click the download button. Save the file on your desktop or a folder of your choice. Then open it to automatically import it into Audio Director. Go back to Audio Director, open the Sound Clips library, and you can see your newly imported sound clip at the top, ready for use.